What's going on, everybody? This year we are wanting to reuse some of our raised planters that we bought last year, and in order to do that I know I need to add some nutrients, but I wasn't exactly sure what, so I did a little bit of research, and the two most common things that I found are some compost, maybe about an inch layer, and fertilizer. And to do that we're just going to follow the instructions that the fertilizer makers are going to give us. So let's just jump right into it. The first thing we did to prep the soil was removed all the leaves and small twigs. And here we're just using another pot to carry off the leaves and stuff to another waste area of our yard. The next thing we did was pulled out any pre-existing plants that were in here. So here's a hosta that we had that we're gonna move and replant. And then the final thing we did was fluffed up the soil. So we left ours out over winter and it got really compacted, but we were able to turn it over and get it rehydrated. The second step that we took was to dig a hole where we wanted to put our plants and add fertilizer to the bottom of the hole as per our fertilizer manufacturer's instructions. There's not really much to it, it's just following the instructions and planting your plants with enough space in between. The third and final step that we took this year was to add about an inch of high quality compost as a top dressing, and that just means it sits on top of everything else. So we just put it in and spread it around. Okay, so that's pretty much all we're gonna do this year, and we're gonna just see how it turns out. We just put a layer of compost down, put our plants in, and underneath the plants we put some of the fertilizer as per the fertilizer manufacturer's instructions. But if you want to see how it's going, we'll be posting regular updates on our Instagram channel, so be sure to subscribe there to find out more, and we'll probably do a teardown video at the end of the growing season, so there'll be another update on the garden.